Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use PhoneMaster to free up space on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So, first of all, we have to find the PhoneMaster application. It's a pre-installed app available on your smartphone, and it has this shield icon. Tap on it to open. Let's give it all the permissions, like notifications. Now what we have to do is either optimize our memory to clean up the temporary storage, so the temporary memory of our device, and speed it up. And so to get rid of the junk in your ROM storage, you have to select junk clean. Give this application a permission that it asks you for, and let it scan through your phone and clean up all the unneeded files from your smartphone in one click. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.